Hi folks, today I'm going to talk about running your pizza oven off gas. Now this is a pizza party Bollore and it is configured to run off gas. As you can see, it does have the option to run it off wood, which I do. You simply remove this and this rather large burner that is inside. As you can see, it's a bit of a beast, and that's really good, apart from the fact that it isn't cheap to run when it comes to gas. Over here typically we use 6 kilo gas bottles, and it was using one of those 6 kilo bottles up in about 4 to 5 cooks, each of which made about 4 pizzas in each one. So you don't get a lot for your money, and it's about £26 to swap the bottle for a full one. And after I did that a few times, I thought, you know, it's a bit expensive this. I need to do something different. So I came across this fella, which is a safe fill refillable LPG bottle. This is a 10 kilo bottle. It wasn't cheap. It cost me £177, and that's about $200 roughly. But the beauty of it is that I can just keep refilling this down at the LPG station. Just bob down, hitch it up, fill it up. It takes about 10 kilos of gas, and it costs me around about £8.50 to fill it. So, and I probably get, like, I don't know, somewhere in the regions of 7 or 8 cooks out of this, or even more, for £8. So it's made it down to being about, after I've paid for this thing, which I nearly have done. I think I'm on its 5th refill now, which if I'd have had to buy 5 bottles, will pretty much have paid for this. So I think one more refill and then I've paid for it, and it's going to cost me about £1 to cook my pizzas each time, rather than about £5. So it's a good saving. But it's empty, so I'm going to take it to the LPG station and get it filled up. Away she goes. Okay, so I'm back home now, and that literally cost £7.48p for 13 litres of gas. Can't complain at that. Hitched up. I'll give it a quick try, just so you can see. All good. So there you go. That's how I save money when cooking with gas, because this thing really does suck juice. You need to get yourself one of those. Okay, that's it for this video. Any questions? Let us know.